back at the 509. I was just gonna do a quick video here. I'm getting ready to leave to go do some estimates, but I was out here watering the plants, and there's these pecan trees that we have here, and they grow these ferns in there, and they're like, it hasn't rained out here in a while, so they're looking like dead. But I've seen these to grow back fairly well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna water them right now, and then we'll water them for a couple of days and then see how they spring back, and I'll continue the video. All right, so here we are, day 2. I just watered the ferns yesterday, and they seem to have exploded back to life. Y'all know what kind of ferns these are? If you do, let me know in the comments. See you back here at the 509. Take care.